day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. Micah Lee-Chin-led National Commercial Bank Financial Group, NCBFG, has sold 32% of its holdings in Bermuda-based financial house Clarion Group Limited to the parent company of Barita Investments, Cornerstone Group. In an announcement of the Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange on Thursday, June 13, NCBFG noted that the following proposed divestment, the group will still retain 19.90% interest in Clarion. Robert Almeida, Group CEO, said further details would be provided concerning the transaction, maintaining that NCBFG's reduced ownership interest in the Clarion Group will not have a material impact on the future earnings or the asset base of NCBFG after the completion of the sale. Regional Adventure Tours and Attractions Management Company, Chukka Caribbean, has expanded to the U.S. Virgin Islands, its sixth destination. The acquisition of cruise ship excursions will see Chukka offering catamaran tours around the island of St. Thomas, as well as to and from its neighbor St. John. The company also provides on-land tour excursions. This strategic move marks Chukka's entrance to its sixth Caribbean destination, reinforcing its position as a pioneer in providing lifelong memories through embedded, authentic, adventurous experiences to tourists from around the globe, the company stated to Out Today. During trading for the period June 12, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 6,773,088 units amounted to 28.01% of the market volume in terms of sales. Omni Industries Limited with 4,402,167 units, amounting to 18.20% of the market volume in terms of sales. Carreras Limited with 2,007,550 units, amounted to 8.3% of the market volume in terms of sales. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on June 13, 2024, registered a volume of 57,851 shares, crossing the floor of the exchange valued at 951,617 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 22 cents. JMMB Group Limited was the volume leader with 26,270 shares, changing hands for a value of 33,122 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 20 cents, followed by Massey Holdings Limited with a volume of 9,479 shares being traded for 38,653 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 90 cents. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On June 13, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $39.4 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $51.3 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $156.35 and bought the US dollar for $154.90. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.45, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of 74 cents from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $114.53 and bought for $113.79. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $2.22, selling it for $199.23 and buying it for $195.40. For the credit report tip of the day, remember that a strong credit score unlocks your full financial potential. So if you're dreaming of starting your own business, a good credit score is essential for obtaining business loans and funding. It opens doors to entrepreneurship, allowing your innovative ideas to take flight. Remember, a high credit score ensures you're well prepared for emergencies and unexpected expenses, giving you the peace of mind to focus on your personal and professional growth. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.